An enjoyable story about play, imagination, and finding joy in rainy days. Ellie and the Rainy Day Parade. Ellie woke up to the sound of raindrops stopping on her window. Uh-uh, it's raining. No playground today, Ellie sighed. But Ellie had an idea. She ran to the closet and pulled out her yellow raincoat and rainbow boots. If I can play at the park, I'll make my own fun. Outside, the rain fell gently. Ellie stepped out with her red umbrella. Hello, puddles. Get ready. I'm coming. She splashed and danced from one puddle to another, giggling loudly. Splash, splash! I'm the queen of Puddle Town! Suddenly, Ellie saw her neighbor Milo the dog hiding under a bush. Come on, Milo! Raid is fun! Whoop! Milo barked and joined in. Ellie and Milo marched through the puddles, pretending they were a band. Boom, boom, splash! Ellie said, stomping like a drum. Milo barked along in rhythm. The rain slowed. A soft rainbow peeked out from the clouds. Look, Milo! It's our parade's grand finale. So even on rainy days, Ellie knew how to have fun. All it took was little imagination. Rainy days are the best kind of adventure. And that's the end of our story. Hope you like it.